One morning, you wake up, and the sun is gone. No donkerus nogerflor, just an unnerving, absolute darkness. For 8 minutes and 20 seconds, the sky remains deceptively normal, lit by stars against a black canvas. This is the last message from a star that is already dead. Then the final photons arrive, and the world plunges into an eternal night. You look up, but the moon is gone, vanished from sight, no longer reflecting a light that doesn't exist. The planets, our familiar celestial neighbors, disappear one by one, their light extinguished. Earth, untethered from the sun's immense gravitational pull, is now a rogue planet. It ceases its familiar orbit and begins a new, terrifying journey. Shot like a stray bullet into the black void of interstellar space, the initial shock is followed by a chilling silence. Within hours, the temperature begins to plummet. The global average, once a comfortable 15 degrees Celsius, free falls. Photosynthesis halts instantly. The world's green lungs the forests, the plankton, the vast fields of crops stop breathing. They can no longer convert sunlight into energy, and the food chain collapses from its very foundation. Week, the world you knew. The surface temperature drops to a brutal minus 17 degrees Celsius. The top layers of the oceans, lakes, and rivers begin to crust over with ice. This ice sheet will grow thicker every day, a frozen blanket, entombing the liquid water below. Power grids, strained by an unprecedented demand for heat and light, begin to fail. Cities flicker and die, surrendering to the encroaching cold and dark. Humanity's only hope is to go down. We retreat into the Earth's crust, seeking refuge in deep mines and purpose-built subterranean bunkers, powered by the planet's geothermal heat. The surface becomes an uninhabitable wasteland, colder than the harshest Antarctic winter. Life becomes a struggle for energy, for warmth, for a flicker of light in the endless dark. We become a species of cave dwellers, telling stories of a time when a great, warm star filled the sky. As Earth hurtles through the cosmos at 30 kilometers per second, it becomes a ghost ship of a planet. Above, the stars are no longer the familiar patterns we once knew. They shift and distort, a constant reminder of our uncontrolled, high-speed journey into the unknown. We might drift for millennia, a frozen ball of rock and ice. Perhaps one day we might be captured by the gravity of another star, becoming a new, alien moon. Or maybe we will simply drift forever, a silent monument to a civilization that lived and died by the grace of its star. Our entire history, our art, our conflicts, our love, it all happened under the watch of a single, middle-aged star. Its disappearance reveals a profound truth. We are creatures of light, utterly dependent on a celestial furnace 93 million miles away. Our existence is a beautiful, fragile anomaly made possible by a delicate cosmic balance. Without the sun, life as we know it ends. But somewhere, in the unfathomable vastness, another star is just being born. A reminder, our world is balanced on the edge of a stellar flame. What would you miss most if the sun disappeared? Subscribe and explore the next impossible question.